Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? So many of you don't know that I'm actually a highly fashionable person, but I don't like to brag about it. So today I thought I would show you some of my fashion tricks so that you can look just like me. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna tie our hair up with a sock to get out of our face. Wow. Okay, and then we are going to start with our eyebrows. So I personally like to have my eyebrows quite dark. The boxier the better. So here's my palette. It's very beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna just go under the eyebrow, the nice thick line, and we're gonna create a brand new eyebrow shape. You're just gonna fill it in with a brush, maybe dip in like every now and then just to get a much nicer eyebrow shape and properly fill that stuff in. Sometimes it does smudge onto your nose, but we can just add that in for the nose contour just so that everything looks authentic. So we're gonna go in with this eyebrow. I mean, like, I'm so glad that boxy eyebrows came into fashion. Like, she thick. She real thick. Oh, yes, honey. Yes, slay queen. Okay, now that our eyebrows are done, we are going to go... We are going to go into contouring. But my contour palette just shattered everywhere. So, just gonna take a little bit onto a brush. This is what happened, it all fell apart. And you're gonna suck. Sweetie, those cheekbones are leaking. Give us a nice jawline. Oh, yes, honey. Ooh. Ah! This stuff's falling everywhere. We'll clean that up later. So now we're just gonna take it in and just blend it until it's nice and blended, and so that you look like you have a nice natural jawline and cheekbones. Fashion guru who? Okay, now for the eyeshadow. I like to go in with slightly more, we're going in with this palette again. Very cold colors. So like I'm gonna take this green and the darker green and the blue and the lighter blue and the light purple and the dark purple, and you put it all onto one finger like that. And you're just gonna apply it generously to the eyelid. Oh, that's not very pigmented. This palette is not Sarah Mitchell approved. And then we're just gonna bring some down onto the bottom lid so it gives you a much more like natural look. And then we're gonna take the same colors and put it on this eye. Hi, how are ya? Now I think that blush really helps. Like, oh, I didn't brush on my eyebrows yet. So I mean, I personally like to go in with a knit comb and just brush them out so that they look like, nice and more natural. And I forgot to put on eyeliner. So this, we're just gonna take it and we're just gonna draw a nice little line on top of our eyelid. And then gonna take some lipstick. Oh, it broke. It's like my boyfriend's penis. You just want to overline the lips a very little bit. And there, you have it. And you can never forget your, okay, I just often get like a little bit of lipstick on my fingers, so then I just like to take it out and blend it into my cheeks for a nice, natural, rosy, glossy look. And we take our mascara. Just be sure to give it a nice layer of stuff. Yeah. And highlighter, that would help. This look is perfect for if you're going to prom, or if you're going to like an awards evening. This is the look that I'm gonna wear for the Oscars next year, because I'm engaging Leonardo DiCaprio. I don't know if he knows that yet. I'm gonna put some in over here, and Boo's like, you know, lined up for some very nice shots. I'm sexier than Naomi in Wolf of Wall Street. Like, hello. And now for the hair, we're just going to take the sock out. Just gonna shake our hair up a little bit. Then we're just gonna roll out the top bit into a nice little bun, and then we're just gonna bring everything else up. And that is how you get ready for prom.